Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export contacts from Kajabi. Alright, so first up, you're going to log into your Kajabi account at app.kajabi.com. Once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on Contacts. In here, click on All Contacts. Alright, click on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to these segments right here at the top. If you want to, you could go ahead and export all of your contacts or all the contact here in the contact list, or customers only, subscribed and active, some other options, okay? For example, all contacts. As you can see here, I have here 2 contacts. So I'm just going to go ahead and select all. And then as you can see, we have here appeared a new option, which says bulk action. Just click on the drop down right here and scroll all the way down. And here we have the export option. Just click on it, wait for it to load. As you can see here, it says once your export is complete, it will be emailed to the email address that is connected to your Kajabi account. Just click on submit. And then once done, again, as it says earlier, an email will be sent to your email address. So just go ahead and open up the email address that is connected to your Kajabi account. Now on the subject line, you can go ahead and click on download the CSV hyperlink. All right, just click on it and the download page will pop up. Just go ahead and save it wherever you want. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. That's how you export contacts from Kajabi. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.